down to the wire. It was the NCP came out victorious. Congratulations, Coach Chot Reyes, and our best player of the game, Roger Cubay. Coach Chot, another close game against a well-constructed team, and it was evident how defense felt the difference down the stretch. With Converge being a threat because of your guards and your front court, what would you consider as the greatest obstacle that you had to get over tonight?
They're the best shooting team in the league. They're shooting the highest percentage. So that was our main concern, was how can we defend them and stay in front of them to force them to miss shots. I thought we did a really good job of it, except because of all our helping, it opened up for offensive rebounds. And even seeing the stats, they doubled their offensive rebound, their second shot points average. So that was the big problem, and that was a huge gamble that we were grappling with the whole game. Because if we don't send help, then their field goal shooting percentage is going to take effect. But if we send help, then we open ourselves up to their offensive rebounding. But in the end, with a team like Converge, you cannot stop everything. You have to give something up. And luckily, we were able to make that one last, two crucial stops in the end.
Thank you so much, Coach Chot. Roger, congratulations. Lagi mong sinasabi na depensa ang iyong nagunan, pero ngayon, opensa ang nagdala sa inyong panalo. Gaano ba kahirap going up against Converge guards? Kaya napilitan ka mag-extra push ngayon ba?
Sobrang hirap kasi yung tatlo. Sobrang ang gagaling. So, napilitan talaga kami lahat. Hindi pwedeng ako lang yung dumipensa. Dapat buong team talaga. Yun din yung nagpa-champion namin last conference ng depensa.
We now open the floor to questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations. Fourth straight win after a 0-2 start sa conference. Coach, would you say form na nagpa-champion sa inyo last conference, truly nakabalik na or still may konti pa kayong hinahanap, especially halfway na kayo sa eliminations?
Yeah, well, I don't think I'll ever be fully satisfied, but I like to say always that we're a work in progress. But you're right, the first two games, we were coming off a break, we were in battle ready, and we expected it, like I said in a previous interview, when we looked at the schedule, the first 4 games, if we can come out of it at 2-2, we'd be very happy. Luckily, we were able to achieve that, and now, not only are we getting tested in battle, but also we have everyone back in. Remember, the first 2 games, we didn't have Poy, Kenny, and even Jason. So ngayon, nakukompleto na, I think we have a better chance of competing, but we have to still continue to improve our game. I thought we had some lapses this game, and then we missed a ton load of layups also in the second half. But for me, the most important thing was to match the desire and the effort of Converge, and I think we were successful in that in this year.
Coach, 2 close games to start of 2025 lang. How will be said, especially next week, you got NLEX and Nebra back-to-back.
There's no such thing as an easy game in this league anymore. Every game is going to come down to that. And that's why I always keep reminding the players, and we always keep preaching defense, because in situations like that, loose ball, our ball, we miss a shot, they get the ball in a live ball situation, it's our defensive fundamentals and mechanics that come into play. There's no coaching anymore from the sidelines because there was no break, there was no timeout, because the players really making good defensive decisions. And that's going to be the same way with NLEX, that's going to be the same way with Ginebra. We don't expect there to be any easy games at all.
Coach, you were able to neutralize Alex Stockton, taking 5 turnovers, something like that. Ano masasabi mo sa effort na yun na able to stop at least one of the 3 guards na sinasabi mong magagaling sa
This guy beside me is the one who was chiefly responsible for that. We knew there was a three-headed monster that is almost impossible to stop. So I said we stopped. Our objective was to at least neutralize two, but I knew if we stop one, we will have a chance then. And you know how well Stockton has been playing lately. He's been playing at an all-star level. But Shawnee Winston, man, gave us a lot of problems. And then in the second half, it was Jordan Heading. I mean, we already know what Chick Diallo can do and their bigs, but really it's their wingmen that gives the other teams a lot of problems.
Folks, ano nangyari kanina, nung kakasimula lang, paano ka naka...
Oo, sumundot ako sa bowl light. Tapos yung tuhod ng import tumama sa legs ko. Sobrang sakit. Charlie na tawag na.
Charlie horse.
Oo, Charlie horse ako. So, pero kaya naman.
When you perform, parang wala nangyari.
Kailangan magtrabaho eh. So, kahit masakit, kahit may dinalamdam, kailangan magtrabaho talaga.
Coach, you seem to have a very good history with Converge playing in a close league, close league.
Oh, I thought it was a good winning history. It's not. I recall a couple of losses to them already, but you're right. It's all close games. And that's just the nature of the beast. I know they get really up when they play against us because obviously industry rivals, right? So I was telling the players since our practice 3 days ago that the key is for us to be able to match their desire and their hunger to really beat us. So ganyan talaga yan. Every time we're going to play them, not only this contest but even in the future. And you can see how their lineup is coming along. It's very well constructed. It's very balanced. That team is going to be a really big problem for everybody else in the future.
You see them making in the playoffs if ever.
Hindi malayo. Hindi malayo yun. So, you know. But that's too far away now. For now, our focus has to be the next game, which is Edmonton.
Alright, and Councilor, thank you so much, Coach Chuck and RR.
Thank you.